This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. 3-bedroom 2-bath single-family home situated on a 1.3-acre corner lot. Open floor plan with neutral colors throughout. White cabinets in the eat-in kitchen with large windows, making it light and airy. All kitchen appliances will remain, including washer and dryer. Primary bedroom has a large walk-in closet and ensuite bath with 2 vanities, soaker tub and separate shower. Large back deck overlooking backyard with fire pit, perfect for outdoor entertaining. Storage building will remain. Convenient yet quiet location. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.